Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 116,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.